So today was supposed to be just a, fitness influencer vlog back on my fitness shit. But we had a supporter, we had a donator, Philip. Philip came in clutch, sent in the big 100s, and I think everyone knows what time it is now. Just woke up, first thing on my mind, we're getting fucking after it.
Bro thinks he's Aiden Ross.
I am Aiden Ross.
Fuck Aiden Ross. You don't want to be Aiden Ross.
I'm better than him.
Don't you know?
Alright, chat. You guys ready to get rich? You know what's involved in the new strat? 25 just smacked. 2 and fucking 4.
You're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. You play that. That shit gets big Maltese on here, bro. I swear to God.
I didn't mean to do that. Why can I not hear?
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. See, we hit
So this is the new strat.
And then we
play
up.
more of the board. Play more of the board here.
More lightnings. Look at that. 2 of them.
Come on.
20 would be huge.
20 would be huge.
6, dude. Like, I have the whole board covered and it fucking hit 16.
Ah! My little dab doohickey.
Shit, that's it. I need to rip the busy. 11.
Maybe he's
21.
Black 11.
100 on 11. Come on, baby. Oh, nope. Yes! It's 2 in a row. 10.
Press said I don't need medicine, that's just wrong.
Every time I double up, it just fucks me. 12?
Damn.
Bro! Can the 2 and the 4 hit? Can the 2 and the 4 hit? Because it was pissing me off yesterday.
Dude, it hit like 8 times yesterday.
1 and 3. Like, why are the corners getting lightning?
That 3's been hot.
11. 23, nice. Yes! 50x!
Oh, you hit that?
Dude, I should have kept the double.
Hit that. He hit that.
We need to double up and get like a 500x, bro. Make a quick grand. Turn it into 10 grand. Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, the 1 and the 3, man.
8, nice. Alright, we're rolling. Come on. Give me a lightning. Give me a fucking lightning. Even though you just gave me one. 20. 33. 200 on 20. 200 on 20. That's fucking 400. Go back! Oh. Fucking magnets, dude. Fucking magnets. Is this why I'm Goggins?
Feet don't fail me now. What are you?
Alright. This is why I'm Goggins. 36. Come on. That's 150. 36. No. Dude. That was the worst. That was actually the worst stream of all time. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
We just smoked that shit.
I'm sorry, Philip. I didn't turn your 100 into fucking a million like I thought I was going to. Alright, these are the stats right now.
No bullshit, it was a 10-minute stream. That was terrible. But back to being a fitness influencer because I don't know if gambling's working out, man. fitness influencer shit. Boom, on my healthy shit. So we just went grocery shopping and picked up a few things, not a lot, but cleaned the house. The dog's still hiding from the vacuum right now. And I guess today's just like a full day of eating, you know? But dude, the people at the grocery store that roll around in those fucking automatic little grocery things, I fucking hate them. Like, they're just always in the way and they don't move and they're just so lazy. And then, like, all the other people at Walmart, like, I can't tell if they're looking at me like, oh, like, this kid's a fucking douchebag piece of shit, or like, oh wow, that kid's a dime piece, it's pretty cute. And I can just never tell because it's like the same stare either way. I'm girl sober right now, staying away from trouble right now. And maybe it's just my selection, but you know, none of these women that I've been with recently are very wifey material, let's say. You know, they're not good girls. But you know, I'm just gonna have to start staking out at fucking church every Sunday. You know, if they're not reading their Bible Monday through Friday, they're not for me. So yeah, that's it for the grocery haul. Alright, here's my next meal. You know, chicken and pasta, fuck chicken and rice. So we got a little pre-workout meal going on. There's 2 different yogurts in here, which is kind of foul, but fuck it, we never did it for the taste. For my pre-workout, I just use Titan Forge pre-workout. Shout out Titan Forge, use code Jeebs. I use creatine, HCl, not monohydrate, and I put in some Himalayan sea salt. Leg day complete, and it was great. It was a great leg day. Performed really well. You know, like, I love and hate leg day because, I mean, it sucks, obviously, but I love it because, like, I used to have the tiniest fucking legs, like, definition of chicken legs, and now I got some meat on my fucking thighs. So, you know, it's just crazy to see the progress. Like, when I first came to this gym, I couldn't even hack squat a plate and a quarter, and now I just did 3 plates for 12, which is a new PR, and I'm fucking ecstatic over it. So yeah, it was a good leg day. Legs aren't that bad, but still got some more eating to do. Vlog ain't over yet. Let's get after it. So the second to last meal is just a bowl of cereal and a shake. Shout out Titan Forge, code Jeebs. But I do a burger and fry meal, like homemade, but that's not till like 1 in the morning, and I gotta edit this video and upload it, so I'm probably not gonna record that, and the vlog's probably just gonna end here. But don't fucking doubt me. Greatest vlogger, gambling streamer of all time. I'm on the come up. Just you watch.